Hi, I'm doing a giveaway on this yarn here. All you need to do is comment down below something crochet related. I have 2 books for sale on Amazon. If you'd like to take a look, it's listed down below. I also have crochet mugs on sale on my Etsy store that's listed down below. To participate, make sure you're a subscriber and make sure you comment down below something crochet related, perhaps what you're working on now. This is the giveaway. It's ice cream, this big scoop. And I'm doing a review on it. If you've never used this one, it's more of a thinner fine yarn. It's very soft. It's white with a few different types of pink in it. It's 10 ounces, 284 grams, 1,117 yards, 4 inches by 4 inches. It's a 3, so it's light. This would be really nice for like a baby blanket. I'm used to using medium worsted yarn, but this is like more of a delicate yarn, but it's very pretty. It's called Strawberry. Lime brand. And like I said, it's very soft, fine yarn. You can let me know in the comments below if you've ever used this type of yarn. I would say that it'd be great for a delicate type of pattern, like maybe like a Afghan or a baby's outfit or something like that. Like I said, I'm used to using medium worsted yarn like a 4 rather than a 3, but this one's very soft and fine. I would recommend it. Down below, I'll link an Amazon link to this yarn if I can find it on Amazon, so you can at least take a look. I did get this one at Michael's. I believe it was on sale. That's why I grabbed it, because I like to do giveaways. Alright, so please comment down below. Make sure you're a subscriber. Look at any of my links for my giveaways, or not giveaways, but my promotions. I also have Knit Crate if you'd like to take a look at that and be a member. It's $24.99. You can sign up under me with the promo code Jill20 and get 20% off. Also, I'm trying to upload videos, so my latest video was a towel topper, if you'd like to take a look at that, and a shawl as well. Okay, thank you for watching.